40 years ago, I never imagined that we were going to be where we are. In graduate school, going to class and coming out and cleaning toilets and going back home, living by, one-bedroom apartment. I never saw that we would grow to 120 employees and, an acre office, 80 vehicles.
We started in 1976 as a janitorial maintenance company, and in the early 80s, when graffiti became a big issue, we started into graffiti abatement.
We do landscape and irrigation maintenance, we do pressure washing, we do graffiti removal, we do weed and trash abatement. We do the dirty work that people don't necessarily like to do themselves, but everybody has the need for it. And we found our little niche, and we stake our claim to being pretty good at it.
We operate and have operated in California, Arizona, Nevada, and Texas. We have licenses in all states.
People look at and drive through cities, and they will notice a city that is clean versus a city that isn't. Our mission is to keep the cities and municipalities we work for as clean as possible, whether it's graffiti or trash or landscape.
We have people available 24/7, 365, and it's not just a cliche to say that. We do get calls all the time at all hours of the night, and the people we do business with need to know that they can depend on somebody to answer their call and take care of their problem. That's a relationship that will continue for many years.
We keep in mind the client and the vicinity we're in and who's going to see it and what is the basic purpose of why we're doing it. Rather than just going in there and let's clean this up, why are we cleaning it up? And we try to instill that in all the employees, a sense of doing the best job regardless of what it costs us. And that's what I have been trying to do for the last 43 years. Because we have a good staff and good retention, our costs are lower. We run a lean company because the people do their job. They don't need two people to do the job of one because they're slacking off. They all do the work of 1.5 people. So we're able to do our jobs great and do it cost effectively for our clients. At the end of our day, every employee sees the result of his work. We see the result of work that we do. Whatever it is, it's been cleaned or fixed or repaired or whatever. And that's the satisfaction that we all get, the satisfaction I get of having accomplished something that day. I want to see something done. That's how we've grown. We've seen the need for things, and we try to fill that and get it done.